In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add images to your Bass Pro site. First, you need to sign into your website. Open up your website in your browser, scroll to the bottom of your home page, and click the link Sign in to edit this site. At the sign in page, enter the username and password we sent you with your welcome pack, and sign in. This takes you back to your home page in edit mode, indicated by the additional buttons across the top of the page. Now we need to navigate to the page that we want to add an image to. We're going to add an image to our bio page, so from our main menu we are going to navigate to our bio page. And once we're on our bio page, we need to put that page into edit mode. Move to the top left corner of the screen and click the button Edit Page. This puts your page in edit mode, indicated by the dotted red lines around your copy blocks. And we want to add an image to the beginning of this paragraph. So run your mouse over the copy block that you want to add an image to. When it turns dark, click on it. Choose Edit from the pop-up window. Within the Edit Content box, move your cursor to where you want to place the image. We want to place it at the start of this paragraph, so we click there, put our cursor there. Now we want to add the image. Move to the top of the pop-up window and click the link Add Image. This opens up your file manager. Your file manager holds all of the images you use in your site. We need to add your image to your file manager. Move to the top right corner and click the button Browse. Locate the image on your computer, open it, and upload it with the upload button in the top right corner. Once your upload is complete, close the window, and now your image is in your file manager. We want to add it back to your page. Run your mouse over the line where the image is located. When it highlights in blue, click on it and choose the word Choose. This puts your image back in your copy block where you had your cursor. Now click Update, and that puts the image in your copy block, but it doesn't look good. You want to wrap this copy around the image, so we need to format the text around the image. So run your mouse over the copy block that you want to edit, click on it, choose Edit. We want to format the copy around this picture. To do that, click on the image. When it's highlighted with white boxes around it, move to your tool icons and choose the icon that looks like a little tree. Click on that, and in the tabs across the top, choose the tab Appearance. Over here on the right, you see how the image is formatted to the text right now. We want to have the image flush left with the copy wrapping around the text. So we want to align it left, and we want to add space between the image and the copy. So move to your horizontal space box and add 10. This adds 10 pixels of space around the image. If you click on that, you'll see that your image is floating left, margin left 10 pixels, margin right 10 pixels. But we don't want 10 pixels of space on the left of it. We want the image flush left. So move down to this box and highlight the phrase or the formatting that says margin left 10 pixels and delete that. If you click on your box now, you see flush left image with 10 pixels of space between the image and the picture with the copy wrapping around the picture. Move to the bottom of the window, update it, and you'll see now that your copy wraps around your image with 10 pixels of space. One more thing you can do is add a border around the image to give it a little bit more definition. Again, run your mouse over the area you want to edit, click on it, choose Edit from the pop-up window. We again want to edit our image, so we select it. When it's highlighted in white boxes, move to your little tree icon again, click on that, Again, select the tab Appearance, and we want to add a border. In this box, we want to add a 1 pixel border around it. Choose 1, and that puts a border around it. Now, depending on your color scheme, whether it's dark or white, would depend on what color you want that border. If you move your cursor down in here, you'll see now that it has a 1 pixel border that is solid black. Since our website is a black background, we don't want that. We want white. So highlight the word and just type in white. This puts a 1 pixel solid white border around your image. Move to the bottom right corner, click Update. Update. Now you see a image, flush left, 10 pixels of space around it to the right side with a 1 pixel white border around it. Now we want to publish these additions to your website. Move to the top left corner of the screen and select the button Exit Edit Mode. We want to publish the additions, so move to the button Publish My Edits. Then sign out. This takes you back to your home page. Now navigate to the page where you made the addition. And you see your image in your text block, copy wrapped around it, 10 pixels of space to the right of it with a white border. One thing you want to keep an eye on is the image size. If you try and import an image that is too big, it could not only throw off the design of your site, but slow it down as well. For example, this throws off the design and looks out of place. What you can do though is adjust the size so it fits in your layout. Put your page into edit mode, run your mouse over the block you want to edit, click Edit from the pop-up menu, and once you're in your Edit Content box, highlight the image you want to adjust, hit your tree icon, hit your Appearance tab, and adjust the dimensions on the image. We're going to make it more manageable by giving it 200 pixels width, then click on it, and your height is automatically adjusted when you have the constrained proportions checked. Now when you update this, you see a much more manageable image size that fits your layout. Now to format the text around it, run your mouse over the copy block you want to edit, click on it, choose Edit from the pop-up menu. We want to wrap the text around the picture, click on the picture, hit your tree icon, click your Appearance tab. Now we want to have space between the image and the copy. We add 10 pixels of space. We want it flush left, so we take away the margin left space. We want to align it left, and then update it. This wraps your text around it with space between the image and the copy. Update it, publish it, and that's how you wrap the copy around and adjust the image size. But it's actually better to size the image before you import it into your Bass Pro site. You can use a program like Photoshop or Photoshop Elements, or the image software that came with your digital camera. If you don't have access to any of these programs, send us an email and we'll send you a list of free programs you can download.